You tell him. Stop. Oh, hey, didn't see you there. Well, looks like I'm coming back to YouTube. Some of you are like, oh gosh, it's some random black guy coming back to the internet, about to make YouTube not a better place, but worse. No. This time, I'm deleting all my piece of crap videos, which is all of them, kind of, and I'm going to start a new line. It might be better, but I just want you to comment on a few this time. If not, then I don't really care what you do. This right here is my serious face. So I mean business.